Hello everybody, 018 here. We got a Donkey Stomper 1000VB-HG from Fremont. Repair review. Put a couple transistors in, ended up putting some power supplies in it, went through and got it all back up to par. It's been broke, somebody's working on it a little bit, but that's alright, ain't no big deal. Got it up and going, that's the main thing. We'll start out, we're going to look at a straight through SWR to 29. 0. Alright, now I did put some pad in this, so we're going to start out with like 35 watt swing, okay? That's pretty much just a regular radio. Like I said, there is a little padding. It was doing a little bit more if I put padding in it, but he runs a striker. I was giving just a little bit of headroom on the drivers. 2500 watt PDP radio drive. 1700. This is your input. 12120. 1700 on the bird. Radio drive. Right on the LP we're showing. 700, 800 feet, 800 average, 2,000 some feet. Okay. Spectrum. Not bad at all for no bad radio driving it. We're gonna go over and hit the radio on high power, pump mode. So you're talking 28 average, 20 average, showing 81 feet in pump mode. So a carrier. High. So the carrier. Doesn't carry, of course you see that something below 200. We like the peak mode. Turn the box on. We'll look at our bird driven a little bit. This is where your padding comes in, so your striker right there with it. So we're showing 2,000 peak on the bird. 1, 2, didn't make a whole lot of difference in the LP. It brought the bird up a little bit. Different kind of meters. On the LP, we brought the average way in. Let's see the average, 1,000 average. 2,000 feet, get them moved down, It's all up to going, should be good for you. You know, so don't slow down no more. Donkey Stomper, get old down. Y'all fixed up, we'll go back to the radio drive. Worldwide, just return worldwide, see the average drop, worldwide. There she is, bud. She's all up and running, good to go. Everything working. Like I said, it is padded a little bit. You did lose a little bit of swing. You might have lost about, I don't know, probably 100 peak swing, but by doing that, you've got a little more leadway, a little more headroom for the striker. There she is, man, up and going. Repair review. Donkey Stomper, 1000 barrel base, HG-2x8. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend Tim, 018B. Catch you later. Bye-bye.